welcome to Wholehearted Food, Nutritional Consulting Services. I'm Alannah.
And I'm Sharon. We're certified nutritional practitioners and the co-founders of Wholehearted Food. We strive to live our lives holistically, incorporating the mind, body, and spirit. And I was born on the island of Jamaica.
And I'm from St. Vincent in Barbados. We often joke about which islands have the best food. I think mine do. But I digress. And being from the Caribbean, we love bringing a culturally embracing and down-to-earth approach when helping professionals and their young families. We do nutritional coaching, meal plans, wellness products, seminars, and workshops. We do both customized and pre-packaged meal plans, including our summer body meal plan. And if you're feeling like you're facing anxiety, you have poo-poo problems, bloating, diabetes, heart issues, and you feel like it's backing you up or slowing you down from achieving your goals, with over a decade in the food industry and working with various segments of the population, we are here to support you.
We're real people, and we try to keep our advice and our message to you real. We meet you wherever you are on your health journey with no judgments. We are your Caribbean cheerleaders. We provide personal consultations in our protocols, and this includes food and drink recommendations, supplementation, and healthy lifestyle choices. We often get inspired by our Caribbean roots.
We also review and share wellness products, including essential oils. We believe sharing is caring.
Our services are for individuals, businesses, and corporations, for schools, retirement residences, and community organizations. We love community and we love to meet people. We do interactive and engaging workshops and seminars. These include laughter yoga to incorporate musical movements, also mindful meditation, and chocolate meditation workshops. You heard that right, chocolate. So now that we've got your attention, look us up on our website, check out our testimonials, and link up with us.
Tag us, DM us, just reach out to us. Our Instagram is @WholeheartedFood1. Our Facebook is Wholehearted Food. And also you can shoot us an email at info@wholeheartedfood.com. So that's it for now. And again, I'm Alannah.
And I'm Sharon. We're the co-founders of Wholehearted Food Nutritional Services. We empower you to eat well and live
wholeheartedly.